Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the alarm on your Casio W-218H. This is going to be very similar to other 3-button Casio watches. It is going to have these two buttons reversed compared to the Casio F91W. Now, in order to set the alarm, what you want to do is to press the mode button once. Here we are going to arrive at the alarm, and here there are a bunch of things that you can do. If you press the start/stop button, you will be able to turn on the alarm. This is going to be for your preset alarm. Then if you press it one more time, you are going to have on the hourly beep. So this means that every full hour the watch is going to make a beeping sound. Then if you press it once again, both the alarm and the hourly beep, so these two symbols represent the alarm and the hourly beep, are going to be on. And if you press it once again, both are going to be off. Also, these symbols will appear on your home screen. So for example, if I press the mode button to end the process, you can see that both of these now appear on my home screen. So I know that the alarm and the hourly beep are both activated. Once again, I'm going to press the mode button, and I'm going to deactivate both of the two symbols. Now, in order to set the alarm, we are going to press the light button, and you can see that now it gives me the option to change the hours. When you start to set an alarm, it will automatically turn on the alarm. So as you can see, we have the alarm turned on right here. Now, if I press the start/stop button, I will be able to increase the hours, so you can only go in one direction. If you press and hold, it is going to speed scroll, so you are going to move faster. I'm going to leave it once again at 7. Now if I press the light button again, it will give me the option to change the minutes. The same can be applied, so I can change the minutes one by one, or I can press and hold in order to speed scroll. I'm also going to leave it at 7:30 once again, just like that. Now, in order to finalize the process, you can either press the mode button and you are going to arrive at your home screen and the alarm is going to be set at 7:30, or you can also continue to press the light button and you will save the settings. In case you want to resume, you can press the light button once again, change the hours or the minutes, and then either press the light button to finalize or the mode button. But once again, make sure that you know that when you start to set an alarm, it will automatically activate the alarm. So in case you do not want your alarm to be set to actually go off the next day or that exact day, make sure to turn it off. So no symbol should appear right here. In order to finalize the process, after you have set the alarm, turned it on or off, even the hourly beep, press the mode button and you are going to arrive at your home screen. Once again, if I want my alarm to be on, I can leave it on, and then I'm going to go to my main screen and you can see the sign here for the alarm. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to set the alarm and also how to turn it on and off on your Casio W-218H. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features, make sure to check out the link in the description box below. You will be able to learn how to set the time and date, how to also use the stopwatch, and also if you want to switch between the 12 and the 24-hour display. Link in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. If you have any questions, any suggestions, make sure to leave a comment down below. Also, check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. And thank you for watching, guys. I will see you on the next one.